So we have a plan for the electrical in the kitchen here. And this is what I think is happening. So we have, here's the part I'm not sure about though. We have 3 wires coming into this box. So I think this is the first box. But what's puzzling is, why is there 3 wires? So that I haven't figured out yet. But the idea is we don't have a ground. So we have a hot and a neutral. And from what I've been reading, this is my plan. We're going to use a GFCI outlet on the first outlet. And that'll help protect us or make it safer for the others in the line. So we have one here, one here. So this one I think has 3 wires coming into this box. This one has 2. So my assumption is that this one here on the left goes to where the fan was, which is no longer going to be used. So I'm going to disconnect that, pull the wire that goes over to there, and then I think one wire comes over here, probably from here. But I'm gonna have to try to figure this out, because the other thing is, so this wire here, or no, the first one, this one had a switch on it. So this one right here most likely goes up and operates this. Or maybe that one was hot and maybe this is the one that was switched. So maybe 2 wires go up there. Which that could explain, well, these 3 seem to come from below. So yeah, we're not sure yet. I did locate the boxes. I'm gonna figure out what I need, try to map this out, and then get the rest of the supplies. I'm gonna have to come up with some kind of cover here. Maybe just an aluminum cover. It's insulated well now. And then this must be the end of the run, because we have 1 wire coming in, so we don't have much slack, but I think we got enough to put the box in and put the outlet in. Okay, so that's where we're at. See if we can get some electric here and have it be fairly safe. Maybe not ideal in an ideal world, but fairly good. It is 12 gauge wire, so that's good. If it was smaller, like a 14, I would definitely want to be rerunning it somehow. But I don't really want to tear this all out at this point. I really may never want to tear this all out. So let's see what we can do and make it nice and safe as possible and usable. Oh, the fan had like a rheostat on it, so that's not going back in either. So we might as well take that apart next and see what goes there.